Hey there, money mavens. Welcome to WealthyCon. This is the place, my friend, where you learn how to maximize your earning potential. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our money-making tips and tricks. So without further ado, let's get started. Today we're diving into the deep end of the money pool. We're talking high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now you might be wondering, what's that? Well, sit tight because we're about to embark on a journey to the land of passive income. Picture this. You're lounging on your favorite chair, engrossed in the latest Netflix series, and boom. Your phone lights up with a notification: you've just earned a cool $500. And the best part? You didn't have to move a muscle. That, my friends, is the beauty of high-ticket affiliate marketing. So what is high-ticket affiliate marketing? It's like being a real estate agent, but instead of selling houses, you're selling products. And when they make a purchase, you get a hefty commission. Sounds fun, right? But this isn't just any old sales job. This is high-ticket sales. We're talking about products that cost a pretty penny. And so when you make a sale, you're not getting chump change. You're getting the big bucks. Now you might be thinking, sounds awesome, but how do I get in on this? Well, it's pretty straightforward and simple. Here's what you are going to do. First, pick a product. And make sure it's not just any product. You want something high quality, in demand, and with a high price tag. Think premium softwares, online courses, or luxury goods. Up next, sign up for an affiliate program. This is your ticket to the passive income train. They'll give you a unique link, and every time someone buys through your link, you get a commission. I know it sounds pretty easy and exciting, but mark my word, it takes work. You will have to be consistent with your content where you are going to use your affiliate links. The most important thing people don't prioritize enough, and as a result, they don't see progress. It's because of the quality of their content. Please remember, content is the king. You have to be able to produce quality content to gain attention. And finally, promote like there's no tomorrow. Use your social media, blog, or even this YouTube channel. The more you get your link out there, the more potential for sales. And that's it, folks. High-ticket affiliate marketing in a nutshell. It's like having a golden goose, but instead of laying eggs, it's laying cold, hard cash. That's all we have for today, folks. Remember, the path to financial freedom is just one click away. So hit that subscribe button and let's walk this road together. Until next time, keep hustling and keep earning.